How you doing? This is Jimmy. We keep them running. I'm going to show you I got a 2007 Lexus is250. It wouldn't do nothing. I mean, you hit the key, it wouldn't turn over, wouldn't do nothing. I mean, it just tried everything. I'm going to show you what they tried everything before they called me, but I'm going to show you what the problem is with this. Hold on, let me switch it around. Alright, let's go. Alright, this 2.5. What we're looking at is what you want to do is go to your computer over here. It's on the driver's side. See, you take these 3 screws out, and this last plug-in on the computer you unplug. If the car will turn over, then your fuel pressure sensor is shorted out. That would be this. Got 3 wires. Alright, there you go. On here it would be, I usually just take the intake, pull it up, slip it to the slide or the side. Here's my light, and it goes right down right here behind the intake. It would be I used a 5/16. Take it out, you'll pull that out and put everything back together. So I just slide everything back over. Make sure your gaskets are good. Just slide everything back over, but this is the fastest way to do it. About an hour job, you can be in and out. I'll be back with you in a second. Okay, I'm back. I got the sensor in. Shine the light down there. This is it right here. And right there. It plugs in right there. And then it goes in a little holder right here. Alright. Trying to show you. I got blood everywhere. Alright, now I'll show you the hidden bolts in just a second. You got one right here. You got one on that valve cover over there, and then you got intake bolt hid here, here, and you got several down here. They're Allen head, and they would be a number 5. I used a long one, but it's a number 5. This car has been sitting up for about 4 months. And we got everything back. And we got the computer. I was checking misfires. It sat for a while, so I had to get everything back up. But everything's working now. I had to reset the security system, and the way I done that, since I had the battery off, is I turned the ignition off, took the key, shut the door, mashed the unlock button with the key fob, opened the door, it reset itself. So not too bad to do it. If they sit for a while, you got to get oil pressure built back up. That's what the problem after I got that fixed was doing it. But if you're having a problem with a car not cranking, Lexus, and the ignition won't even turn, nothing, go to the first video where you unplug that one wire from the ECM. That'll let you know that that's where that fuel pressure regulator goes into the computer. It'll shut the whole computer down, shut everything down. If you unplug that and the ignition turns over, you know what it is. Alright, I hope this helps. Thank you.